Now here we complete the remaining question of exercise 6.1. Question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Length of ladder is a 5 meter. Suppose AB is a ladder and the length of this is equal to 5 meter. Against a wall. OB take a wall. The bottom of ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 cm per second. Suppose OA is equal to x, then dx dt is equal to given 2 cm per second. How fast is its height on the wall decrease? Here we want to get dy dt if we take OB is equal to y. Clear? Here given that foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, x is equal to 4 meter given. Now in this type of question, first we suppose the ladder length of OA, length of OB. Here let AB is equal to 5 meter is the length of ladder. OA is equal to suppose x meter, OB is equal to y meter. Here dx dt is equal to given 2 cm per second. So is equal to change into meter form because AB is given in a meter form. So 2 upon 100 meter per second, that is 1 upon 50 meter per second. Clear? And x is equal to given 4 meter. X is equal to 4 meter given. Here from this triangle OAB we create a equation which gives a relation between x, y and the length of ladder. In a triangle OAB, using Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to AB square, that is a 5 square. Therefore x square plus y square is equal to 25. Clear? Now using value of x in this equation, get the value of y. Therefore x square, x is a 4, so 4 square plus y square is equal to 25. So y square is equal to 4 square 16, take this side, so 25 minus 16 become 9. So y is equal to plus or minus 3, but here we select a 3 because this is a distance. So y is equal to 3. Using value of y, x and dx dt, we get dy dt. Now we have equation which gives relation between x, y and constant 5 is a 25. Differentiate with respect to t, we get a 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, we get x dx dt plus y dy dt is equal to 0. So replace x by 4, dx dt by 1 upon 50 plus y is a 3 dy dt is equal to 0. So from this we get dy dt. So simplify this here. 4 upon 50, that is a 2 upon 25 dividing by 2. So 2 to 4, 25, 2 is a 50 plus 3 dy dt is equal to 0. Therefore dy dt is equal to into 3. 2 upon 25 take this side, so minus 2 upon 25. 3 take this side, so dy dt is equal to 2 upon 75. Clear? Is a meter per second. A rate of change of height of a ladder against a wall. So this is the final answer. Change into centimeter, then we multiply by 100. So 2 upon 75 into 100 and simplify this, get a centimeter into second form. Clear? So minus 2 upon 75 into 100 cm per second. 25, 3, here 4. So becomes dy dt is equal to minus 2 into 4 upon 3. So is equal to minus 8 upon 3 cm per second. This is answer in a centimeter per second. Answer in a meter per second. This is clear. Now next question. Question number 11. A particle move along the curve 6y is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2. Find the point on a curve at which the y coordinate is changed 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Here 6y is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2 given. First differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t. We get a 6 dy dt is equal to 3 x square dx dt plus 0. This is constant term. Clear this? Take this result number 1. Now suppose let xy is required points on curve. Therefore here given that y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Y coordinate changes, that is dy dt is equal to 8 times changing x coordinate dx dt. Clear this? Therefore by 1, here dy dt is equal to, put here 6 into 8 dx dt is equal to 3 x square dx dt. Clear this? Dx dt from both sides cancel. 3 take this side, so we get x square is equal to 6 into 8 upon 3. Therefore x square is equal to 3 to 6, 8 to 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. 4 square is 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. So x is equal to 4. This implies y is equal to, here put this, x is equal to 4 in this, 6y is equal to 4 raised to 3 plus 2. 4 raised to 3, 64 plus 2 is equal to, becomes 66. So 6y is equal to 66. So y is equal to 11. Therefore one required point is 4, 11 is a required point. Now second points we get using x is equal to minus 4. So this implies 6y is equal to minus 4 raised to 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 64 plus 2 is equal to minus 62. Clear? Therefore, y is equal to minus 62 upon 4. So becomes minus 31 upon 2. Therefore, second point become minus 4 minus 31 upon 2. This is a second required points. Well, required point. Clear this? So there are 2 points where y coordinate change 8 times x coordinate. Clear? Question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical has variable diameter 3 by 2 to x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. You know that how to solve the equation. Rate of change of a volume we want to get. Now in a 14, sand is appearing from a pipe at the rate of 12 cm cube per second. That is a dv dt is given. dv dt is equal to 12 cm cube per second given. The falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always the 1/6 of the radius of a cone. Radius of a cone is equal to take a r. Height, remember this, height of a cone is always remain 1/6 of radius of a cone. So r is equal to here 6 h. Why we change r into h form? Remember this. How fast is the height of the sand cone increase when the height is 4 cm? Here we want to get ds dt. Clear? So first suppose let height of a cone is equal to h, radius is equal to r, volume is equal to v. Therefore v is equal to volume of a cone 1/3 pi r square h, you know. And here dv dt given, we want to get a ds dt. So r change into h form. Now height of a cone is 1/6 of the radius of a. Clear this? So radius r is equal to 6 h. Therefore by 1 v is equal to 1/3 pi r square, that is a 6 h square into h. So 1/3 pi 6 square 36 h square into h raised to 3. So is equal to 12 pi h raised to 3. This is a v. Now differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dv dt, rate of change of volume, is equal to 12 into this is 3 into pi h square dh dt. Therefore dv dt is equal to, we know that 12 cm cube per second. So 12 into 3 into pi into height of a cone is equal to 4 given. H is equal to 4 given. So 4 square is a 4 into 4, write this, dh dt. Clear this? Now simplification, dh dt is equal to 12 from both side cancel. Here 4 60 into 3 48. 48 pi, take this side, so become 1 upon 48 pi. Clear? This becomes rate of change of height cm per second. Clear? Next question, number 15. The total cost Cx is in a rupees associated with the production of X unit of an item is given by Cx is equal to 0.007 x raised to 3 minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 400. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced, that is x is equal to 17 units, then find the marginal cost. Friends, you know that if a cost is given, then marginal cost is a derivative of C with respect to x. So marginal cost MC is dc dx is equal to derivative of this is equal to 0.007 into 3 x square, derivative of x raised to 3, minus 0.003 into derivative of x is a 2x plus 15, derivative of this 0. Clear this? Now marginal cost when x is equal to 17. So marginal cost when x is equal to 17 is 0.007 into 3 into 17 square minus 0.003 into 2 into 17. Clear? Plus 15. After simplification, 17 square into 7321 is equal to becomes 6 into 669 minus same simplification of this is equal to 0.12102 plus 15. So is equal to 20.967 something. Clear? So this is the marginal cost in a rupees. Applying same, solve remaining equation 16, 17 and 18 yourself. Clear? Okay, bye.